Hi, Meir Ezra here, and I have a tip for you. So, life seems to be very dangerous. You've got the coronavirus, which is dangerous. You've got criminals, which are really dangerous. And you've got politicians that even are more dangerous. Life is dangerous. Life seems to be dangerous. And you will see that the more you consider life as dangerous, the more dangerous it becomes, and the less able you become. If you look at yourself as a kid, as a child, you didn't think that life is dangerous and life was beautiful and you had endless amount of future. Everything was possible from your viewpoint. And before some adult come and told you, no, it cannot be done, or before life come and convinced you that life is senior to you, it was not a problem. So you will see that prerequisite for success is to decide that life is not dangerous. You need to decide that you know, and you need to decide that your freedom is more important than your body. You need to decide that your opinion, what you know, is more important than what Google tell you that you should know. You need to decide that what you should do is, of course, based on your observation and not based on parroting of something you heard on social media or TV. You need to decide that you know. Because before you decide that you know, you're a slave. Before you decide that you know, you're a slave. And what does it mean, I know? I know mean the ability to bring something about for no reason at all. Because for as long as you work based on reason, you'll be limited, because reasons are what limits you. Reasons are all those things that limits you. If you want to improve, if you want to grow, you need to raise above reason. You'll see that every progress in history happened because someone said, the hell with the experience, the hell with the reason, I want to invent a new reason. Now, how do you apply it to your life? How do you apply it to your life? You have a business and everything tells you that, the situation is so bad that nothing can be done about it. Just decide, I can do something about it. The moment that you make that decision, despite all invitations to do otherwise, you will see that you will find a way to do something about it. You have a relationship and the relationship is very bad. And you say, well, it's her fault, it's his fault, and there's someone to blame. The moment that you decide, no, it's me, I can do something about it, the relationship will improve. And in regards to relationship, there's a fascinating law that says that while it takes at least two people to create a fight or an argument or a disagreement, it takes only one person to fix it. You have a lot of invitations to find what's wrong with people, which means is reason. If you would just decide nothing is wrong with people, I can do something about it, you will see that something amazing will happen. You will become successful, but more important, everyone around you, anyone that you will touch, will become successful too. So the only value a person has is how many people he can help. And this, how you can help people. Decide that you know. Meir Ezra here, your tip for today. Bye-bye.